Nope. What on earth am I doing here? Hi, my name is Dreena. I call this a fascia flow stretch. See, I was just playing tennis and all that pounding creates some wear and tear on the body. And this helps recover from an activity like tennis, especially as we age. With time, our fascia becomes dense and becomes less pliable. We have scar tissue perhaps from injuries or traumas. And what we feel in our body as a result of dense fascia is pain and stiffness, sometimes low energy, weakened immunity, poor digestion. We can get in and start taking care of the fascia so that it will take care of us. Want to learn how? Link through and try out my free classes on fasciaflow.com. See you there.